Mai Varamba, a song by Oliver Mtukudzi. The love of a mother is the best there is. In this song, Tuku is showcasing the unwavering love of a mother. In the face of adversity and discouragement for a child, the mother is steadfast, Mai Varamba, which means the mom is not accepting what haters may say about a child. Memuyemedza mwana kumuyemedza. Others will be saying, why are you treating your child in this way? What kind of love is this that you treat your sons and daughters with kids' gloves? Rudo rudziiko kuyemedza mwana komana. These are the words the mother hears every day. But as Tuku puts it, Mai Varamba. In those times when the whole world might be against you, you can count on the mother's love, as she would not accept anything that demeans her own child. Don't we just love our mothers? They stand for us in times of challenges and stress. We give all the love and respects to every girl or woman as they represent our mothers. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Zimbabwe Music Meanings, for in-depth analysis of Zimbabwe songs. Cheers.